To access the Google Classroom app, I usually recommend that you log in to mail.google.com the first time. I find it easier to go this route because mail.google.com is shorter to type, easier to remember, and generally, people are already familiar with Gmail. Alternatively, you can sign in by going directly to classroom.google.com and click Sign In. Either way will bring you to a page similar to this one. Enter your login details and click Next. Once the email address and password are correct, you will be presented with some terms of service. Click Accept to proceed. You may also be asked to change your password. Once you go to Gmail, you can always click on the 9 dots in the top right hand corner and find Classroom in the list and click on it. This will take you to the Google Classroom and you would already be signed in. Either way will bring you to a page similar to this one. Click Continue. Next, you are presented with a choice of joining the system either as a student or a teacher. Click Teacher. Next, you are presented with a loading screen displaying all the classes you are already a member of, or the classes you have been invited to join. As I don't already belong to any classes, my list is empty. To create a new class, I will click on the plus sign and select Create. I will enter my class details and click the Create button. From there, you're taken to a main page for the class. This is your class screen. At the top of this main page, there are 4 tabs. The first, the page that you're on, is the stream. The other tabs are classwork, people, and grades. On the classwork tab, you will add or create material or assignments for your class. On the People tab, you can add students and teachers to the class. Finally, there is the Grades tab. When you assign work to your class, the assignments and any related grades will show up on this page. There is a hamburger or pop-up menu that you can use to quickly access your classes, your calendar, your to-do list, and quick links to all of your classes. The settings cog on this flyout menu will take you to settings for the Classroom app, not just this current classroom. The cog or gear icon at the top of the main screen will take you to the settings for your particular class. Here, you can edit your class details, general settings related to the class, and settings related to grading. To find out more about grading, click here. Remember to click Save if you edit the settings on this page. Back on the Stream tab, we can customize the look of the classroom by clicking here. We can pick a theme from one of these categories. I think I'll go with this one. Alternatively, I can upload my own photo to use as the cover photo. When I begin a new classroom, I like to add a welcome message for the students of the class. Click here to create a post. Now, let's add some people to this classroom. Go to the People tab and enter the teachers and students for this class, using their names or email addresses. You can enter more than one teacher or student at a time. To People who have been invited to the classroom will show invited after their names. If a person accepts your request to join the class, the name will turn dark and it will drop the invited tag. Now, I'm going to add some material to the classroom. Go to the Classwork tab. First, I'll create some topics, then add material to the topics. You can add any topic you deem relevant by clicking Create and then clicking Topic. Type the topic name and click Add. You can add any topics that are relevant to your class. Now, I'm going to add material to my topics. As long as there is no material in the topic, the students will not see the topic. To add material, click Create Material. Give your material a title and description. Click Add or Create to attach the relevant files or links to the material. Here I've added a file I had previously created directly from my Google Drive. Assign the material to the related topic and click here to post it immediately, schedule it for a later date, save a draft, or to discard the draft. Now I've posted the material, it shows up in the appropriate topic. To edit the material, click the Overflow menu with 3 dots and select Edit. I think I'll add some YouTube videos to this material. Click Add YouTube. This brings up a dialog box where you can search for relevant videos or paste links directly to the videos. You can add several videos to one post, but not all at the same time. There. Remember to click Save. Now I will add some curriculum documents so that my students can follow along the topics that we will be covering this term. I can change the order of the topics by clicking and dragging. Now let's go back to the stream. As you can see, the posts have pushed my welcome message down. To solve this, click the Overflow menu with 3 dots and select Move to the top. Now, the students will be greeted with my welcome. And that's it for our first steps in Google Classroom. Remember to check out the other videos in this series.